In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a company page on LinkedIn. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account. Step 2. Access the For Business menu. Find and click on the For Business icon from the menu. Step 3. Create a company page. Click Create a company page and choose the company option. Step 4. Provide company details. Provide your company details, including company name, website, industry, organization type. Step 5. Add company logo and tagline. Upload your company logo and add a company tagline. Step 6. Verify and create. Check the Verify box and click on the Create button. That's it. You have now successfully created a company page on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.